Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ami Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're going to learn how to connect your first strategy with EndoTech. On the dashboard of EndoTech homepage, choose CoinbasePro Exchange out of the following options. Choose the strategy you would like to connect and click Setup Strategy. Copy and paste your API keys, passphrase, and secret key into the right tabs. If you need help creating your API keys, use our How to Create API Keys video guide. Make sure the right balance shows up on our site before you click on Continue. If it isn't the right balance, please double check your API keys. Last step, you will be paying your annual license fee. You can make the payment using USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin to one of EndoTech's trusted wallets. Make sure you're using the right network to execute the withdrawals from your CoinbasePro account. Once you've made the withdrawal, CoinbasePro will provide you with a transaction hash. Paste it on the TXID tab and click Confirm Payment. If you don't know how to execute a withdrawal from your CoinbasePro account, please follow our How to Withdraw video guide on our support page. The system will recognize your transfer and will activate your strategy. For more information on how to connect your strategy using CoinbasePro, get in touch with our support team at endotech.io. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.